before we proceed, the presiding officer was not there during pre-trial. As manifested by the counsel for respondent, was there indeed such an agreement that the originals will be presented during the trial?
Yes, Your Honor.
By both parties. Can the counsel for the prosecutors also confirm that?
Your Honor, please, we do not confirm. I conferred with my team, the team who actually participated in the marking for Article 4. Your Honor, please. Be that as it may, Your Honor, please, we would like to put into record certain realities of the law. A photocopy is now considered as an original. 2019 amendments in the Rules of Evidence. Number 2, Your Honor, please. This is the person who authenticated the documents. So there's no other person who is competent to testify as to the veracity of those documents other than the witness.
Your Honor, that's only a
So you do not
conclusion, Your Honor.
confirm,
No,
you
Your
do
Honor,
not
please.
confirm such an agreement during pre-trial.
We do not confirm that, Your Honor, please.
So, Chair would like to advise the parties. The court understands the exceptions to the original document rule and will so implement the rules in that regard. However, if it does not fall under the original document rule exceptions, then to save on the court's time, the party presenting the document should present the original during trial to omit what we are seeing now. Perhaps in the next time you present a witness, counsel for the prosecutors and counsel for respondents.
Who will, Your Honor?
We appreciate that, Your Honor, please. We understand that would be for the next
For the next one. Please
Thank
proceed.
you so much. Are we done now? We move, Your Honor, please. That
Your Honor, may I request that he not also address me directly?
So ordered, so instructed. Kindly address all of your queries and statements to the presiding officer and use the third person when referring to your fellow counsel for the other party.
Much obliged, Your Honor, please. We move, Your Honor, please, that the marking